they hated on my toolbox so bad. They called it an Amish toolbox. Said it looked flimsy. How about now? We got the topper, sockets, wrenches, clamps, Allens, cup, screw down. Built these little deals right here, down here. Flip out tray. What up? These handles are gonna get made up right here for all my drawers. All of this has been made for $0. These drawer pulls, found them in the trash. You see my socket extension holders, hammers, everything. $0. I just spent a couple bucks for this wire rack. Cut these off a old broken hose. Check this out. Drills, ratchet wrenches. Look at this big old drawer. Check this out. Check this out. Boom. All the blow mold cases. Double drawered. All found in the trash. Tape. My work was just going to throw these wine boxes away. Threw a magnet on here just for the fun of it. These wheels came off an old project, so kind of $0. More drawers. More drawers. More drawers. Free hooks. I built this on for this box, needed a home. This was, I think, a vacuum piece, which I can pull out right here to change my wire, change my towels. Built a little home for the glue. Over here, wrenches, a must-have, drills, free drawers, screws, extra tools, more magnets, extra 10 mil, free hooks. My kitty was eating all my gloves, so I had to